There's a reason we humble this in sujood. This part of the brain, the forefront of your brain is called the prefrontal cortex in psychology. This is the part that we say is the most advanced part of the brain. This is the part that's responsible for planning, decision making, all the things that contribute to our anxieties, all the things that contribute to our overthinking. So right now I'm speaking to the overthinkers, to the ones who are, their thoughts take them in a million directions. I'm talking to those who struggle with anxiety. I'm talking to those who become easily disturbed by their thoughts, and then their thought ruins their whole day. Humble this mind. This is the part of the brain, subhanAllah, that differentiates us from animals, and this is not a coincidence. Actually, this is one of the signs that really solidified the method for me, because after I developed it, I was continuously looking for evidence in the Quran and Sunnah, and alhamdulillah, I found it supported the method, but then it was sujood that confirmed it for me. Sujood, you humble this mind. But what happens when you are in this position of sujood? What is higher? It's the heart. It's the mind that is humbled on the floor, but the heart is higher than the mind. What does that tell us? Don't be led by this. This is the most important part within you. The heart's intelligence is greater than the mind's intelligence. The mind is powerful, don't get me wrong. It's I love studying the brain. It's amazing. There's no way anyone can study the brain and not believe in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It's unbelievable. But despite that, the intelligence of the heart is still greater.